Okay, let's go over this and how the course is organized. Here's what you see when you log into Blackboard. Here's the announcements. You'll see these announcements. And I always post an announcement, introducing the new subject that we're on. Okay. Now, over here, this is orientation. You should have listened to that and watched it. And here's the announcements. All this stuff should be familiar to you, but the biggest thing that seems to have gotten lost is that the course is organized by modules. It is not organized by weeks, and this is what I was trying to communicate in our the last time you contacted me about this. So for right now, for example, we are just starting Module 5, Production and Growth. It's due on October 11th. So you click on that, and then there's an introduction to the module. And then here are some lectures. Click on that. You got some videos and some things to read there. And there's some extra credit opportunities and so forth. The homework. Okay, click on the homework. And Naked Economics, there's a chapter to read there. That's not required, but it's highly recommended. And MindTap. Okay, chapter 25. So to get to that, let's go back. Now you're ready to go into MindTap and click on the MindTap icon there. And here we are. Okay. Now it said chapter 25 right here. So that's what you're supposed to do. And you can see there, if you click on that to read the chapter, that is due October 11th. Now, somehow, and I tried to get you to fix this last time, somehow you got into this week mode. See right here, if you click on that, it shows the course by week, but this is week 7. And as you can see, and as you've pointed out, the assignments were due a while back. Okay, do not do this by week. That is not how the course is organized. That's very important. I guess you clicked on that to do it your own way, but that way is not how it's set up. So make sure you click here to get back to this mode, okay, where you can just go to the chapters that's assigned, and then you start going from there. Now I will again extend your due dates to help you get caught up because you are a little bit behind. But yeah, this course is not organized by week, and there's a lot more to the course than just MindTap. It looks like you're just coming here and going week by week, but no. You go into Blackboard and you do all this stuff, and then when it says it's time to go to chapter 25, you click on the MindTap, then you read the chapter and so forth. So get switched over to click on this icon, go get out of that week mode and get into this mode. Well, what's it called? It's called the outline view, I guess. That's it. That's the default view, and that's the one I set the course up as. So you must have switched it over, but that's not going to work. And you're behind, and I want to get you caught up. So I'll extend your due dates, and we'll go from there. Okay.